Join me as I explore how AI is transforming our world through robotics, and I'll try to build my own robot using just what I can find around my house. Artificial intelligence and robotics are two of the most exciting technologies of our time, and they're changing our world in ways we never thought possible. From revolutionizing industries to transforming the way we live our daily lives, AI and robotics are having a profound impact on society and the economy. One of the biggest challenges facing industries that are slow to adopt robotics and AI is job displacement. It's a sensitive topic, but the truth is that many jobs will be replaced by automation in the coming years. In fact, according to a recent study, up to 30% of existing jobs could be automated by the mid-2030s. This is a daunting prospect for many workers who will need to adapt to a changing job market. Another major challenge is the high cost of implementing robotics and AI. Developing and integrating these technologies requires significant investment, which can be a barrier to entry for many companies. This is especially true for smaller businesses or those in developing countries, which may not have the resources to invest in AI and robotics. Resistance to change is another significant obstacle to the adoption of robotics and AI. Many people are hesitant to adopt new technologies, especially if they're not sure how they'll benefit from them. This resistance can manifest in many ways, from workers being skeptical of automation to companies being slow to invest in AI research and development. Finally, there's the challenge of data quality and accuracy. AI and robotics rely on high-quality data to function effectively, but collecting and processing this data can be a significant challenge. This is especially true in industries where data is scarce or difficult to obtain, which can limit the effectiveness of AI and robotics. In healthcare, robotics is being used to develop advanced prosthetics and exoskeletons that can help people with disabilities. For example, robotic exoskeletons are being used to help people with spinal cord injuries walk again. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach rehabilitation and prosthetics. In manufacturing, robotics is being used to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Robots are being used to perform tasks such as assembly, welding, and inspection, which can help companies save time and money. This is especially true in industries such as automotive and aerospace, where precision and accuracy are critical. In household automation, robotics is being used to develop smart home devices that can learn our habits and preferences. For example, robots are being used to develop smart vacuum cleaners that can navigate our homes and clean our floors more effectively. This technology has the potential to make our lives easier and more convenient. In agriculture, robotics is being used to develop autonomous farming systems that can help farmers increase crop yields and reduce costs. Robots are being used to plant, water, and harvest crops, which can help farmers save time and resources. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we approach agriculture and food production. One groundbreaking development in the field of robotics is the development of soft robotics. Soft robotics involves the use of flexible, pliable materials to create robots that can perform tasks that would be impossible for traditional robots. For example, soft robotic arms are being used to handle delicate objects such as fruits and vegetables, which can help reduce food waste and improve manufacturing efficiency. Another groundbreaking development is the use of swarm robotics. Swarm robotics involves the use of large numbers of robots that can work together to perform complex tasks. For example, swarm robots are being used to clean up oil spills in the ocean, which can help reduce the environmental impact of these disasters. The potential of AI and robotics to transform lives and industries is vast. From healthcare to manufacturing to household automation, these technologies are having a profound impact on the way we live and work. In conclusion, AI and robotics are technologies that have the potential to transform our world in ways we never thought possible. While there are challenges to adopting these technologies, the benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. As we move forward, it's essential that we prioritize the development and implementation of AI and robotics to create a brighter, more efficient future for all. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments about the future of robotics. If you're interested in learning more about AI advancements, check out our latest video on the top AI trends of the year.